Imagine a secret trading strategy that turns ordinary traders into millionaires overnight. A strategy so powerful that professional traders never want you to know about it. But today, we are going to expose this hidden trading hack that has been making the pros rich for years. Stay till the end because you'll not only learn how this works but also how you can apply it to your own trades. But before we dive in, let me ask you a question. Have you ever felt that no matter how much you try, you still lose in trading? If yes, then this video is for you. Most retail traders lose money in the stock market, but professional traders seem to have a secret formula. They don't just rely on indicators or charts, they use something much more powerful. It's a hidden technique that banks and hedge funds use to manipulate the market in their favor. And today, I'll reveal it to you. But before that, if you think the stock market is fair for everyone, then you need to like this video because the truth might shock you. So, let's get straight to the point. The biggest secret of professional traders is something called liquidity zones. These are hidden areas where big traders place their orders, and the market moves accordingly. If you don't understand these zones, you're just gambling. But if you do, you can enter trades at the perfect time, just like the pros. Think about this. Have you ever noticed that right after you enter a trade, the market moves against you? That's not a coincidence. That's because professional traders wait for small traders to place orders, and then they push the market in the opposite direction to trigger their stop losses. And guess what? They collect all that money. But here's the hack. Instead of trading like an average retail trader, you need to trade like a market manipulator. Yes, you heard it right. You need to understand where the liquidity is and enter trades accordingly. Now, let me ask you, have you ever heard of liquidity zones before? If yes, comment below and tell me your experience. And if not, let me know your thoughts. Does this sound like a real strategy to you? Let's break this down step by step. The first step is to identify liquidity traps. These are places where retail traders are most likely to enter buy or sell orders. You can find them near support and resistance levels. When you see price reaching these levels, don't enter a trade yet. Instead, wait for a false breakout. This is when the market moves slightly beyond a key level, traps traders, and then reverses. This is where you should enter. The second step is following the smart money. Big players never enter the market randomly. They wait for retail traders to get trapped and then take the opposite position. You can track their moves using tools like volume analysis and institutional order flow. Now, before I tell you the final step, let me ask you, do you think trading is really fair, or do you believe it's rigged against small traders? Comment below with your opinion. The final step is managing risk like a pro. Even with this strategy, you won't win every trade. But the difference between a professional trader and an average one is risk management. Pros never risk more than 1–2% of their capital per trade. They also use something called a stop hunt strategy, where they wait for stop losses to be triggered before entering trades. If you follow these 3 steps, you can trade like a professional and stop being manipulated by the market makers. This strategy is used by some of the richest traders in the world, and now, you have it too. But let me ask you one last question. Do you think knowing this trading hack will improve your trades? If yes, hit the like button and let me know in the comments. Conclusion: trading is not about luck, it's about understanding how the market truly works. If you trade like the majority, you will lose like them. But if you think like a professional, you can win like one. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe for more powerful trading hacks. And remember, the market doesn't care about your emotions, it only moves where the big money goes. So, follow the smart money, and you'll never trade blindly again.